side rear set. Drop your axle all the way in. And this is where two people comes in handy. Because as you feed this back through, you don't want this thing to swing. So once you get it all the way in, we'll go. Use OEM spacer. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I like to. Carefully. Well, you have two people. So now we're going to jiggle the bike a little bit just to get it all the way through on the other side. Swing arm. The swing arm will just find the hole, go gently. Don't go yamming this thing in there. You're going to strip the threads. You won't do that. And once you get it, just tap it gently. It'll go all the way through. Don't forget to put your spacer back on that side as well. Until it's all the way on. Just like that. And then in the kit will come 3 spacers. The biggest spacer, it'll be zip tied and color coded, goes on the left side, which is your shifter side, between the rear set and the frame. So it will go on the back side. Well, big old hands can get it. And for right now, we're just going to put everything kind of loose, just so it stays into place. And then we'll button everything up at the very end. But then we'll move on to the other side. You have to grease your rod. Absolutely. If you don't, your brake lever will get stuck. So this is the right side. Pretty simple. We put a slide, lube the brake rod. The brake rod is the raw material rod. Closest to my pinky, there's a rod right there. You're gonna slide your brake on. Very simple. The 2 holes here will bolt up to your master. Between the rear set and your master are 2 spacers. Those are gonna go in between there. And we're gonna work on that. So eventually it'll look like that.
Nice.
You can probably cut right there. It's gonna take a second. And they'll sit there nice and snug. Always, 100% of the time, use blue Loctite on the threads, on the back side of these. Use blue Loctite on the bottom bolt. If you don't, these will vibrate loose. It happens. Blue Loctite for the win.
All right.
With these rear sets, the brakes, however high or low you want your foot lever, you adjust your master. I prefer my brake to be a little bit higher, easier to brake, but it's truly up to you. But you adjust it with these 2 nuts here. There's a nut underneath the rubber and there's a nut there. So you loosen one and tighten it and your brake lever will move up or down.
All right.
Fairly simple. Everything is loosely put together, kind of by hand, just to make sure this is just kind of where it sits. Your main focus wants to be here to tighten these bolts up. There is blue Loctite on them. It clears the swing arm, so you're good to go. You're gonna need a 10mm wrench and a 10mm socket. Back side is going to be a 11mm. Front side is going to be 10mm. Just want to snug them up. You don't have to get too crazy with it. Just like that. And do the same for the bottom.